Hello and welcome to Math with Dotun, where math is simple, fun and practical. Let's look at butterfly method for fractions. Alright, so we're talking about fractions and then we want to look at how to use butterfly method when we're dealing with fractions. So the first one I want to show you is addition and subtraction. Alright, so the same thing goes for addition and subtraction using the butterfly method. So we are adding two fractions, let's say 1 over 4 plus 3 over 5. Okay, so these two fractions, we want to add them. All right, we can use our butterfly method. How does this work? We're going to do a cross multiplication. All right, can you see I'm drawing my butterfly already? Then we'll do a straight multiplication here. All right, so this is how it goes. Once you have this, you do 4 times 5. 4 times 5 is 20, right? So you write your 20 and then you multiply this cross, all right? 5 times this line, 5 times 1 is 5. Then you put your sign, addition. 4 times 3 is 12, right? Then you write that. Okay, so we're done. 5 plus 12 is 17 and then over 20. All right, so this is it, easy peasy butterfly. All right, show you the, look at this and then look at this. All right, that look more like a butterfly, right? So the 5 times 1 we can write it here, and the 4 times 3 we can write that there. So we have the butterfly for addition. Now let's look at subtraction. So let's say we have 3 over 4 minus 1 over 5. Okay, so we draw our cross again like this, the numerator and the denominator, and then here numerator and denominator. Then you do this. Okay, all right, so you have to multiply these two denominators. So you do 4 times 5, 20. Okay, let's put that here. So you have 20, and then 5 times 3 is 15. All right, so you must be careful. The sign you have here is what you're going to use because it's the same procedure for addition and subtraction. All right, so check the sign. If it's subtraction, you put your minus. If it's addition, you put your plus. So 4 times 1 is 4. So 4 times 1 is 4. Now let's subtract. 15 minus 4 is 11, and then over 20. Easy peasy, right? Okay, one more thing we can do with our butterfly method. Let me show you here. If you are to compare these two fractions, all right, if you compare these two fractions, you can also do a cross like this. I wouldn't want to draw that. This times this. All right, so 2 times 3 is 6, right? Then the numerator times the denominator. All right, 5 times 1 is 5. So I compare 6 and 5. Which one is greater? 6 is greater. So that means 2 over 5 is greater than 1 over 3. All right, so the greater than sign goes into the box. All right, so these are some of the ways you can use the butterfly method when you're dealing with your addition. You can also use it in multiplication, but I'd like to limit this particular video to addition and subtraction and then compare it. Okay, so I'll go over it again. For you to do your addition using butterfly method, you're going to draw your butterfly this way. All right, capture the numerator of the first fraction with the denominator of the second fraction, and then numerator of the second fraction with the denominator of the first fraction. All right, so you rule your line, multiply the denominators, the two denominators. 4 times 5, you have 20, and then do the multiplication in this loop. So 5 times 1 is 5, and then 4 times 3 is 12. Then you do your addition since you have plus. 5 plus 12, 17, and that over 20. And the same thing for subtraction. All right, so we draw a loop for the numerator of the first fraction, the denominator of the second fraction, and like that for the other one. And then we multiply the denominators. All right, 5 times 4 or 4 times 5 is 20. Then we do 5 times 3, all right, which is 15. And then we do 4 times 1, 4. And then we do 15 minus 4, which is 11 over 20. Easy peasy, right? And finally, to compare two fractions, just multiply, cross multiply. 2 times 3, 6. 5 times 1, 5. Then compare your answers. The one with the bigger answer is the bigger fraction. Thank you. All right, so you do this for me. 2 over 3 plus 1 over 2. And let me have your answer in the comment. Thank you. Bye.